Hello, today we will guide you through how to uninstall Wispr Flow. If you want to remove Wispr Flow from your Windows laptop or desktop, this process is simple and should only take a moment. We'll walk through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open the control panel on your computer. An easy way to do this is by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, then typing Control Panel into the search bar. Once it appears in the search results, click to open it. If your computer takes a second to load, that's completely normal. After the control panel opens, look for the option labeled Uninstall a Program. This is usually found under the Programs section. Clicking this will open a list of applications currently installed on your device. This area is where Windows lets you manage and remove software. So if you've uninstalled other apps before, it may already look familiar. Now take a moment to scroll through the list and find Wispr Flow. Depending on how many programs are installed on your computer, this may take a few seconds. You can usually sort the list alphabetically if that helps you locate it faster. Once you find Wispr Flow, right-click on it to open the available options. From that menu, click Uninstall. After you do that, Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program. If a confirmation window appears, go ahead and continue with the uninstall process. In some cases, you might also see a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. If that happens, select Yes to proceed. At this point, the uninstall should begin. Give your computer a little time to complete the removal. The exact time can vary depending on your system, but it typically finishes fairly quickly. It's a good idea not to close the window until the process is fully complete. Once the uninstall is done, Wispr Flow should no longer appear in your installed programs list. If you want to be extra sure, you can refresh the list or close and reopen the control panel to confirm that it has been removed. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled Wispr Flow from your Windows computer. If needed, you can always restart your device afterward to help finalize any background changes.